Hi guys, this is Boy Binkan. I'm back for another video. Today I will show you how to make custom welcome message on Discord app. The first thing you need to make server for your own by hit the plus icon in the left middle. You see, create my own and create group for community for friend, etc. Make your server like SD and hit create server and skip. From there, go to three dashes in the left top. From there, you see your server. Go to hit the text channel, hit the plus icon, and make custom welcome. You see, welcome to Binky. You see, and hit create. And that. After that, you need to make your server. No one can comment in your server, and you make you private. Go to three dotted in the top right, hit in it, and go to setting. Go back and go to setting. From here, go to under setting. Go to overview. From there, you see under the system message setting, click on it. You need to customize the welcome message and hit save and go back. After that, you see welcome to Binky servers. You need to hit on it, set up your server, skip a step. Let's see. Let's wait for a second. You see, you go to setting. After that, go to channel permission. You set your channel to private, and that video for today. I hope that helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys. Bye.